Metadact is a metadata cleaning solution that is part of the Litera desktop suite. With Metadact, no matter where your attachments are, whether they're in an email, mobile device, or desktop, we're going to read through it, look at it, and see if there are any metadata you didn't mean to include. With Metadact, you will limit the risk of human errors, inadvertent sharing of sensitive information in documents. So let's first understand what metadata are in a document. Metadata will be information contained in the document that may not be things that you are aware of or things that you are intending to share. I have a document opened here, and we have various metadata. We have some small fonts here. We have some incorrect redactions here. We also have some white text right here. Besides all of the metadata inside of the document, there are some other metadata that are hidden in the properties of the document. If you go to Information, we can see the properties here. And we have the total editing time, which may not be a true reflection of what the total editing time is for this document. We have the company name. We know that users move from firm to firm, and they have templates of documents that they have been using for years, so this may not be the correct company name. We have the last printed time, which we don't want, and we have the related people, which we don't want this to be sent out as well. So the documents that we are looking just now, I have attached it to an email right here, and I want to send it externally. This document had all of those properties, all of those issues inside, as well as a few comments applied and the track changes enabled. So now when I click send here, Metadact will be fired out automatically. It will make me aware what is happening in my document. So we have track changes and comments noted here. Our recommendation is to accept all track changes and turn the tracking off and delete the comments. But this is also customizable. You can change it how you want this to be seen as a default status, or you can change it right here from when you're opening Metadact. Now I have everything ready and I want my document to be cleaned out and to be sent out. So I click on OK. The application will clean my document, it will prepare it for me, and then it will send it. So if I go to my Outlook here, it should take a second for the document to appear in my mailbox here. Okay, so here we go. And now if I open my document out, I will see that the small font that we had here has been removed. The incorrect redaction that we have here has also been removed, and the white text has also been removed from the document. The track changes have been turned off, and the comments have been removed. If I go to File, Information, all of the properties that were incorrect have been also cleaned out from the document. So now this is a clean document that has been sent out externally. The types of documents like the one I just cleaned right now can live on many different collaborative systems like iManage, NetDocuments, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, etc. So to ensure the full risk mitigation, law firms and legal teams must ensure that they are governing these collaborative systems as well. For that, we have a CLAM platform. Directory tab is a very powerful admin homepage where admins or risk compliance can come and see where all of their content is spread. We can also take centralized control from this homepage by doing profile and security updates. Today, we will go through all the security aspects and how we can leverage the CAM solution for risk limitation on your matters and documents. Let's first go into our matter here, and let's go into the menu, security, and this is our project teams. Project teams is a way of securing content, but allowing enough people access to it. It works on a role-based access to give access to a matter and the content of those matters so that partners or responsible partners or billing lawyers will have the dedicated roles and get access to the matter. And even if you need to give access to a person in the firm that is not specifically and actively working on this matter, but you want their input, then you can simply give them explicit access or explicit security here. And then let's say they will have editor rights for a specific amount of time. So with project teams, we will give you the option to take control and make changes matter by matter, so one at a time. If you have to make bulk updates on multiple matters or documents, then for that we have the analytics module. The analytics module is where CAM is able to bring in different kinds of data into a client's MySQL database and allows to then query all of those data to A, get results, and B, to take bulk action on those results. It allows the user to find out user adoption rates with comprehensive data visualization, workspace health check reports, and ad hoc DMS reporting. We can execute customizable queries and take action on those results. And then we can choose, for example, one of our features is to do a security update. With the security update feature, you can add new users, you can add new groups, you can remove existing users and groups from the security of the documents or of the matters, and you can also change the default security from public, private, or view. When we talk about the security aspects of your documents, we know that there might be a time when your, let's say, DMS servers are down or you cannot access your own documents. And for that, we have created a solution that limits risk like that. For that, we have business continuity. Business continuity is an application within the CAM platform that allows users in CAM to download or check out documents that were replicated from the client's cloud or on-premise system into the CAM S3 bucket. We have the search results right here, and you can open and review the details of any document simply by clicking on it. The first option that we see available in our details here is the document download option. If we click on this, the document will be downloaded into the dedicated location, which is also the default location, just like any other document would. And then you can access this very easily. So this is how you can download documents using business continuity. We record activity for every action taken from the application, and we store it in our audit trails. Therefore, you should be able to see the type of action any user has made, who has made that action, and all of the other information regarding the job that was processed. Lastly, we're going to look into Control Center. Control Center is a place to manage all retention, information barriers, including ethical walls, information governance, retention, and legal hold policies. Control Center also supports importing information barriers from third-party systems like iManage or Intab Wall Builder, and manages or enforces these controls across multiple systems. In this retention control that I have created here, I have a trigger that will be set off at a specific amount of time and at a certain time, and then it will take a specific action. We can choose to secure, we can declare as a record, we can undeclare, we can archive. There are plenty of options that you can use here. And this is how you can use the combination of Metadact and CAM as the ideal solution for cleaning and protecting your documents.